an additional transport, so there will be a notable, we can just say, and rare. And we can, as a mitigation measure, we can say that during construction, traffic management plan will be developed for Musafa Industrial Zone, so that if there are any impacts, it can be managed. Then marine transport route, I have mentioned 1 to 2 vessels, but if there are 250 trucks, then it will be more vessels will be required. It will be something like 20 to 25 vessels. Am I right, or we should?
Vessels is should not 25 for sure. Yeah, 25 is too much.
Okay.
It's only 2 or 3 vessels. Yeah.
2 to 3 vessels per month.
Yeah.
Okay.
Doing the work, the complete work. Yeah.
Look, 2 to 3 means in 2 months it will be around 6 vessels. Can 6 vessels transport load of 250 trucks to Das? I'm not expert on this, but in my opinion, it will be a bit more.
Would you repeat the question again, please, Anwar?
See, we are estimating that there will be 250 trucks in 2 months to transport the materials from within Musafa to Musafa Jetty. And then from Musafa Jetty, it will be transported through vessels. So load of 250 trucks, can it be accommodated on 2 to 3 vessels per month or 6 vessels in 2 months? Or there will be more vessels?
You can make it increase it a little bit, but it's not the pipes will be moving from onshore to in order to be carried out on a material barge. So the material barge is not like the truck. The material barge will be carrying a larger number of pipes. So you can make it something like 5 to 6, as you mentioned, but I think the number makes sense now, but not more than this.
Okay, fine. You are the expert, so it's okay. All marine transport is planned in coordination with the relevant authorities. In normal operations, no marine traffic issues anticipated. So it's okay. Air transport. Are you expecting any air transport to transport your staff from Abu Dhabi to site to Das Island, because there is airport on Das Island? Normally, the staff is transported through air. It is only an information. There is no impact on air transportation. But if you are going to use transportation from Abu Dhabi to Das Island through plane, helicopter in case of emergency from pipeline, barge to Das Island. This is, I don't think, because pipeline is very close by, you don't need helicopters to transport in emergency situations staff to Das Island. So I can remove this sentence. Are you okay with this? As well as helicopter from Abu Dhabi to, no. Oh. And all the air transport will be managed in coordination with the authorities, so no impacts. Are we expecting, should we keep this statement that are we using the air transport? Although no impacts. Okay, next. If the audience or if the participants are okay with this statement about the air transport.
So this air transport is meant for what?
Transferring the people and transferring material. You are going to go at Das Island with air or with boat?
Generally staff generally by air, but material will be by boat.
Yes.
Or in case there is some small material which has to be reached to site it immediately, urgently, then maybe, and if authorities allow, then it can be transported through air. But that is
So
rare.
mainly we are just talking about the staff, transportation of staff from Abu Dhabi to Das Island through plane. All the air transport will be managed in coordination with the authorities, so no foreseen impacts on air traffic in normal operations.
Yeah.
Homes and other private property, residential city, there are no communities, no private properties close to the project.